praise thee. Though thou wast angry with me, thine anger is turned away, and thou comfortedst me. Cry out and shout, thou inhabitant of Zion, for great is the Holy One of Israel in the midst of thee. Behold, God is my salvation. I will trust and not be afraid. Cry out and shout, thou inhabitant of Zion, for great is the Holy One of Israel in the midst of thee. For the Lord Jehovah is my strength and my song. He also is become my salvation. Cry out and shout, thou inhabitant of Zion, for great is the Holy One of Israel in the midst of thee. Therefore with joy shall ye draw water out of the wells of salvation. Cry out and shout, thou inhabitant of Zion, for great is the Holy One of Israel in the midst of thee. That day shall ye say, praise the Lord, call upon his name, declare his doings among the people, make mention that his name is exalted. Cry out and shout, thou inhabitant of Zion, for great is the Holy One of Israel in the midst of thee. Sing unto the Lord, for he hath done excellent things. This is known in all the earth. Cry out and shout, thou inhabitants of Zion, for great is the Holy One of Israel in the midst of thee. Isaiah chapter 12.